This is Project Reflex, our real-time grid flexibility copilot. It automatically detects feed overload, selects the optimal mix of DER flexibility, and dispatches it using beacon. So if I run the front end and the back end, refresh the page. So when I click on Run Workflow, the system stimulates an event. So we will pull into telemetry, we will detect the overload, and we will assess how severe it is. And our optimization agent will kick in, and it will determine whether this should be an incentive or an emergency event. So here you can see we have an incentive event, and the required reduction is 1,138 kilowatts, and the entire optimization runs in under 2 seconds. So over here you can see the DERs which we have selected. In incentive mode, we always want to choose the most cost-effective, green, and least destructive combination, and we use a knapsack style solver. In emergency mode, we will switch strategy and we will choose the fastest responding DERs, and all incentives will be stripped. So if you look down here, you will see the event timeline. So our LLM agent will generate a human readable summary of each step. So why the overload happened, why certain DERs were selected, what the confirmation contained, and the final event status. And over here, we've got the audit log, and this terminal shows every beacon call which we have made. We made a discover, confirm, and the status event. And this is fully P44 ready. P44 ready. If we switch to the grid view, this tab shows all the available DERs positioned on the grid. So we're able to sort by capacity, renewable, and CO2. So for example, if we sort by CO2, you will see there. And if we switch to the overload tab, every time we run the workflow, we'll log overload events here. So if I run the workflow again, you'll see we received an emergency event. So we have selected 2 DER windows, and so to summarize, Project Reflex detects overloads, optimizes DER flexibility, and dispatches it through beacon. Thank you.